Good afternoon, guys. This is example for those of you who were absent and did not follow the lesson when I was present the lesson of 5-2. This is 5-2 of CYU. The domain and range. Pretty much when they ask you to write the domain and the range from this set of data. This is set of data. We call that set of order pair. So pretty much the domains are the value of the x, like this one. For example, number 1, they said the domain. So domain, all you need to do just list the x. 3, -1, 2, and 0. I'm done. Those are the domain. Now, next, range. Range is a value of the y. So you list them. 5, 2. When it's 2 twice, you can just put 5, 2 only one time, and then -1. Or you can just list 2 twice. That's okay. That's it. That's the range from this set of data. Now, next, from this graph, they want you to list the domain. Again, domain, you just type in the x, which is -1, 0, 1, and 2. That's the domain. Now the range on this graph, the range is, the first one is 1, 0, -1, and -2. I'm done. That's all how you find the domain and the range from the graph. Next, identify the domain and range from the function. Right here, it's a table. So they give you the table. What are the domain? So domain just 12, 17, and -4. That's domain. Now, range, the y value. So -8, 3, and 9. I'm done with that. Okay, for B. And C, this is the mapping. So what are the domain? Again, the domains are A, B, C, and D. And then the range, you just list them. 3, 5, -6, 0, and 9. Next, they give you again a set of data. So you just have to identify the domain. So domains are 2, -3, 4, -5, and 0. Those are domain. All the x are the domain. Now, range, you have 8, 6, 6, 4, and 10. Like I said, when you have the repeating number like this, number 6, you can write both of them. You can list both of them, or you can just put 1, 6. That's fine. Okay, they're not going to count you wrong on that. Next one, on number 3, example of this one, they give you this expression right here. The expression is 2x plus 5. That's pretty much, they compare the expression in the function machine. And then the x is the input, and the y is the output. So this is the function right here. Okay, the function machine that have the expression. The expression is 2x plus 5. What happened if your x, the input is 9? So you're going to write it down. What you have here is you have 2x plus 5. Okay, what happened if my x is 9? So you're just going to have to put 2 times 9 plus 5. Okay, then what do I have? 2 times 9, that's 18, right? So 18 plus 5. If 18 plus 5, so what do I have? 23. That's what happened. If my x is 9, my y, this is what my y is going to be. Okay, because they ask what happened if your x. So you want to know the output. The x is the input. If the input is 9, what is the output? So the output is the y. So that means y equals 23. If I have the x is 9, the y is 23, what is my order pair? So my order pair will be 9, open parenthesis, 9, comma, 23, close parenthesis. That's my order pair of my first one. Okay? That if my x is 9. It's the same one here. If I have, again, the same expression that they give it to me. So 2 times x plus 5. What if my x is negative 3? So if my x is negative 3, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to substitute the negative 3 into where the x is. So I'm going to put 2 times negative 3, okay, and then plus 5. So what happened? Negative 2 times 3, that will be negative 6. So I have negative 6 plus 5. Then what happened? Negative 6 plus 5, that give me negative 1. So that is my y, or my output is negative 1, because I have negative 6 but positive 1. So if my x is negative 3, my y is negative 1. So what's my order pair? My order pair will be open parenthesis, negative 3, comma, and then negative 1. There you go. That's how you do it. You substitute the value of your x, which is your input, into the equation. Into the expression that they gave me, into the function machine, and then you work it out. Okay, next, what if my x is 1/2? The last one. What if my x is 1/2? So it's the same thing. You have the same expression. That's a 2x plus 5. Okay, so all you do, you just substitute the value of x into the expression. So that means you're going to have 2 times 1/2. Okay, 2 times 1/2, and then plus 5. So what is 2 times 1/2? 2 times 1/2 is 2/2. Okay, so that's a 2/2. So 2/2 plus 5. Okay, what is 2/2? 2/2 is 1, because 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So you have 1 plus 5. Okay, so 2/2 is 1, 1 plus 5, that is 6. Okay, so that 6 is your y. If you have y equals 6, and x equals 1/2. So what is your order pair? Order pair is 1/2, okay, and 6. That's it. Now, that's pretty much it for number 3, okay? So now, your turn, you are going to do number 4, exactly what we did on number 3. All you do, you just use a function that they give you right here. That is the expression they give it to you. Like x squared plus 2x plus 3. What happened if your x is negative 4? So what you do, you are going to substitute the value of the x inside the expression and then solve for it. Same thing on number 5. You just need to substitute. Okay, let me show you how to do the at least number 4, the first one. Okay, so what was the expression? The expression is x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to write it over here. X squared, the expression is x squared. So that is, I'm going to put the text and then superscript. That's x squared. Okay, x squared plus 2x and plus 3. So what happened if x equals negative 4? So all you need to do, you just substitute the value. Instead of x squared, you can put open parenthesis, because your x is negative. Once it's a negative number, I put open parenthesis, negative 4 square. Okay, so I put format text, and superscript, and then second power right there. Go back, do it again, same thing, format text and superscript, click that. So now it's go back to normal. That will be plus 2x, and x is negative 4, so plus 2 times negative 4, close parenthesis, and plus 3. Now you will solve this. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I have negative 4 squared. The negative side is also square, so negative times negative is a positive. 4 times 4 is 16, so it's positive 16. Instead of put positive 16, I just write 16. Okay, plus 2 times negative 4, that will be plus a negative 8. Okay, and then plus 3. So what I have right now, 16 plus negative 8 is the same as 16 minus 8, okay, plus 3. So now what I have right now is 16 minus 8, that's 8. 8 plus 3, that's 21. And that 21 is equal to my y. So if I have y is 21, x is negative 4, what is my order pair? So I'm going to put my order pair is going to be what? X, so that is negative 4, comma, and then 21, close parenthesis. That's my order pair, and I'm done. If my x is equal negative 4, okay, so next you are going to do that x equals 3. You're going to plug this value of the x inside this expression right here, okay. And then on the next one, what if x is equal to negative 2? You just plug in the value of negative 2 inside wherever the x is, and then solve for it. Okay? Hope you understand this. That's it. If you have any question, send me the email. Okay? Bye.